Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, Hydroxycut Pro Clinical Weight Loss Supplement Review. So you might be wondering, how does the Hydroxycut Original or the Pro actually work? Well, the Hydroxycut Original here is a weight loss supplement built around a key ingredient called C. Sanifera robusta, a compound found in green coffee alongside 200 milligrams of caffeine per serving, B vitamins, vitamin D, and apple cider vinegar in capsule form. Now, the brand cites two clinical studies on C. sanifera robusta. Now, in the first year, subjects taking it for 60 days on a low-calorie diet lost an average of 10.95 pounds. Now, that's according to them, compared to the 5.40 pounds in the placebo group. Now, in the second, over 8 weeks with a calorie-reduced diet and moderate exercise, subject lost an average of like 3.7 pounds versus 1.25 pounds for placebo. Now, in this case, how do you use this? Now, in this case, to assess tolerance here, start with one capsule with a glass of water twice daily, about 30 to 60 minutes before the two main meals. Now, for the first 3 days, from day 4 onwards, these increases to 2 capsules per dose, twice daily, not exceeding 2 capsules in a 4-hour period or 4 capsules, around 200 milligram caffeine per 2 capsule serving, so up to like 400 milligram total. Now, in a 24-hour period, the site recommends 60 days of use alongside a calorie-reduced diet and regular exercise, and drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. So it's not intended for anyone pregnant or nursing. And the capsules containing bovine gelatin, so they aren't vegetarian, so prescription is required since it's sold as a dietary supplement. And the label directs consulting a healthcare provider with any questions about personal use. Now, with any kind of medication, it is highly advised to consult your healthcare provider or your doctor first. Now, in this case, the listed price on the official site is around $19.99 per bottle. So that's a 60 capsule pack with free shipping on orders over $30 and a 30-day return policy. Now, it's available on other sources as well, like Walmart, CVS, and Walgreens. And the site currently lists the single Hydroxycut Original as out of stock, so in this case it may not be available as of this moment, but then again, you can just check their website or other platforms and see if it's actually available. Now, that's about it. So for this video, don't forget to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.